Welcome to Cars Trends, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and reviews on the world of automobiles. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the most anticipated and revolutionary car of 2025, the Mercedes-AMG One Concept. This extraordinary vehicle is the culmination of Mercedes-AMG's unwavering passion for performance, innovation, and design. As we delve into the details of this remarkable car, you'll discover how Mercedes-AMG has redefined the boundaries of automotive engineering, creating a machine that's as much a work of art as it is a beast on the track. Design and aerodynamics. The Mercedes-AMG One Concept is a masterclass in design, with sleek lines, aggressive curves, and a low-slung stance that exudes pure performance. The car's bodywork is crafted from advanced materials, including carbon fiber and lightweight alloys, which provide exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. The One Concept's design is heavily influenced by Mercedes-AMG's rich motorsport heritage, with a prominent front splitter, air curtains, and a massive rear wing that generates incredible downforce. The car's aerodynamic package is designed to optimize airflow, reduce drag, and provide exceptional handling and stability. Powertrain and performance. The Mercedes-AMG One Concept is powered by a revolutionary 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 engine, which produces an astonishing 1,063 horsepower and 739 pound-feet of torque. This incredible power plant is paired with an advanced electric motor, which provides an additional 161 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. The One Concept's powertrain is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides lightning-fast gear shifts and exceptional responsiveness. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system features torque vectoring, which enables the One Concept to deliver incredible agility and handling. Interior and features. Step inside the Mercedes-AMG One Concept, and you'll be greeted by a sumptuous interior that showcases the finest materials and cutting-edge technology. The car's dashboard, door panels, and center console are all crafted from premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The One Concept's interior features a range of innovative technologies, including a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a digital instrument cluster, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The car's seats are upholstered in the finest leather and feature intricate stitching, which adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. Safety and driver assistance. The Mercedes-AMG One Concept features a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The car's advanced driver assistance systems are designed to provide exceptional safety and convenience, both on and off the track. Sustainability and environmental impact. The Mercedes-AMG One Concept is not only a stunning work of art but also a testament to the company's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The car's advanced powertrain features a range of innovative technologies, including regenerative braking, electric torque vectoring, and advanced energy recovery systems. The One Concept's sustainable design extends to its production process, which features a range of eco-friendly materials